So the second step is downloading Maven 2 and exporting Maven to home. So the first thing we need to find the place where to download Maven from. We will get the latest source of Maven from the Maven website, apache.com. So we need the binary. In our case, we get the first binary with the latest version. Once the download is ready, we need to show the folder sources, and copy this Maven downloaded from here and put it in our local drive. We will create for that a folder called Maven. Just like that, and we will copy the source here, and we will extract it. So this is our Maven home. This is what we need exactly. That's all. So this is our folder, and now we need to export this Maven home in order to be able to show MVN version. As you see, it is not shown yet. So this will be our Maven home. So again, we go to the properties of the computer, advanced system settings, environment variables, and as you can see, we don't have M2 home. Sorry. So we need to create an M2 home and copy there, maybe like this, or better like this. So now we have the M2 home, but it's still not enough. So you see that if we still type Maven version, it doesn't show anything. So let's try something else. We need to add now M2 home into our path. We will find a path. We will add at the end of the path this separation. So we say that we will load from M2 home. We will include the folder bin. So now the system will know that the Maven version exists, but not. We need to close the command and try again because the command had this previous session. There it is. So that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and see you the next time.